What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I'm being robbed.
Now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
I'm being robbed. There's nothing more I can say. I'm being robbed by GOAT. I'm being lied to for no reason. That's just pointless at this point. I don't get what you get out of it. But it's funny because people will say, you know, stop. Why you always make rant videos? What's going on? Why you? Because, dude, they are robbing me. Okay, so 7 days ago exactly, I bought a $650 shoe from GOAT. There was the same shoe on StockX, same size. It's a rare, it's like not a common size. So there was one listing on both sites. On StockX, it was $700. On GOAT, it was $650. Probably the same seller, but I bought the GOAT pair for $650. Seller confirmed, and it said seller packing. 6 days later, it still said seller confirmed, seller packing. Okay, this is stupid. Give me my money back. And usually you get like 3 days to pack and ship, which is too long. Who needs 3 days to pack and ship? Whatever. But okay, so that's cool. So give me my money back. 6 days later, I get an email from Stacy, probably one of the dudes at GOAT, calling himself Stacy, saying, in this case, we either refund you, which I want, or try to find a replacement pair for the same price and the same size. I've checked GOAT and StockX every day. There have never been a listing for another same size, same price. That's a lie. And she said, we found a replacement pair in that size and we're just waiting for the seller to ship to us so we can ship to you. No, Stacy. Give me my money back, Stacy. I don't know what y'all trying to do. But look though, here's what we're not gonna do. Because I'm about to call the FBI. I'm about to call them because we got a new FBI building here. I see it. Like, they try to act like it's all hidden. It's just a government building. It don't say FBI out the outside. I know that's the FBI building. Stacy, give me my money, dude. Because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. There's never been another listing. You're lying. You're lying. And it's just dumb because if you go on the Twitter page for GOAT support, every person in there is like, dude, what are y'all doing? Every person is sending them question marks like, why aren't y'all answering? What are y'all doing? They haven't responded to people in literally a day. They're literally going MIA and they're stealing money. I want the world to know something phony is happening at GOAT. I don't know what it is, but it's getting ridiculous. Just give me my money and I won't have no beefs with you. I just don't get it. I don't get what you get out of lying. There's never been another size and there's not another pair. They don't answer anything. I've messaged them on Twitter 5 times. And the only reason I'm not too like shocked by this is because from what I've heard, GOAT was founded by dudes younger than me who had some money, got a lot of money behind him, like 20 mil or something, and built this GOAT thing. And it's smart. All the stuff they've done till now is super smart. The app, the giveaways they've done, everything has been smart on their part. But they just don't seem to like run it as a real company. It still feels like there's 19-year-olds running this. And that's why I only recommend StockX. It's a real company. We know the history behind StockX. The guy done a TED Talk. Like, he had the company back in the day when I used to check the dead stock values. I used to check the values and he had the little clicker up. I don't know, that might be real old school for y'all because y'all new to the game. But I'm telling you, he had a website where you could check the value of every shoe, and it would show you like the last pair that it sold anywhere, eBay, whatever. So StockX just seems real, and when you contact them customer support, they answer. They're talking to you. GOAT does not care, dog. They don't care. But at this point, just give me my money back, and I ain't even gonna beef with you, dude. Because I ain't got no problems with you, okay? Just give my money back, or we ain't gonna have no beef. No beef. But yeah, it's just dumb. A lot of people go through this, obviously. Go look on their Twitter. A lot of people are going through the same thing. They don't answer. One dude DM'd me and was like, they have over $1,000 that they're supposed to cash out to me. I have not seen it for 2 weeks. And it's just, I don't know why they playing, man. They playing with people's money, and it's cool though. It's cool, cause I do know people at the FBI. I do. And if you don't believe me, just holla at me. So they stole my money. They lied. I don't know what's going on. I haven't heard anything for 7 days. I'm just chilling with you. I'm right here with you. I've been here, right here, waiting. I don't even go to sleep. I just sit here and just wait, because it's cool though. It's cool. So yeah, I just thought I should say something because people ask me a lot where they should buy the shoes. StockX, GOAT, what's the better, like, y'all know how I feel, so don't ask me the question because you can just look it up. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. And yeah, and go check out the car channel, Mark Kicks and Whips. Camaro doing some other stuff. I don't know what's happening. The Range Rover doing some other stuff. I don't know what's happening. People always ask how I got the Range Rover and shit like that. But I'm an architect, as you can tell by this tube. Yeah, there my plans in there. Yeah. So really, I mean, it is what it is, man. Shout out to Carlisle. She's a GOAT, but GOAT ain't the GOAT. I'm out of here.